Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply or renew your Irish passport online and how to upload your passport photo during the process. This is really helpful if you want to avoid delays and make sure everything is done correctly the first time. So first click apply online and then you'll be asked if you're applying for an adult or a child passport. I'll select adult. Next, choose whether this is a first-time application or a renewal. If your last passport was issued over 15 years ago, you should select first time. So in my case, I'll choose renewal. So after that, it will ask if your name is the same as on your previous passport. If nothing has changed, select yes. Now you'll see three options: a passport book, a passport card, or both. I'll select passport book. Next, you'll be asked why you are applying. This could be because your passport has expired or is about to be expired, or if it was lost, stolen, damaged, or full. I'll select expired or expiring. You'll then see some instructions, so take a moment to read them all. Then click I understand, and after that, it shows what you'll need to complete the application. So a digital passport photo, your old passport, a valid email address, and a debit or credit card for payment. So once you're ready, click next. Now you see the photo requirements. Your photo must be taken within the last 6 months. No digital enhancements are allowed. No headwear unless it's for religious reasons, and you must have a natural facial expression. So click next to continue. You'll then see 3 ways to upload your photo. So in this case, we're using the photo provider option, so click upload now. So on the next page, upload your photo. Make sure it's in color and under 9 MB and saved as an original JPEG file, not compressed. And click upload photo and select your image. So once uploaded, review the photo carefully, and if everything looks good, click submit photo. And then you'll see a message confirming that your photo passed the first check. And after that, answer the confirmation questions. So confirm that you have a natural expression and that you're not wearing headwear. And that's it. Your passport photo has been uploaded successfully. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful and want more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.